Good day, viewers. In case you are just joining us, this is Organic TV, a platform that provides critical solutions to students offering chemistry and biology. In today's lesson, we are going to consider a redox reaction. This redox reaction is lesson 2. We have already done lesson 1, which we know what redox reaction is. The meaning of redox reaction. We looked at what the acronym is using to determine the oxidation reduction reaction and how you can determine the oxidation and reduction reaction. Today we are going to look at examples of a redox reaction. In this particular equation, like in our previous video, we say that a redox reaction is a type of chemical reaction where there is transfer of electron between an atom. So in this one, we want to look at which one undergo oxidation and which one undergo reduction, and which one is oxidizing agent and which one is reducing agent. In the case of this one, we know that potassium here we have potassium iodide, and we also have potassium chlorine, iodine here and chlorine here. In potassium here, in our first video I told you that when element bound with other elements, there exhibit oxidation number, like in the case of potassium here has oxidation number of +1. So here is +1, here is +1. So there is no transfer of electron between potassium in the reactant and in the product. So let's look at iodine. Iodine here is -1 and iodine here is what? 0. Anytime for you to understand these parameters, just go and watch the first video, redox reaction lesson 1 in my channel Organic TV. So here the oxidation number of iodine here is -1 and the oxidation number of iodine here is 0. Now move into chlorine. Chlorine here, the oxidation number of chlorine here is 0 and the oxidation number of chlorine here is that is -1 and 0. And I told you that in oxidation, I told you that oxidation is a loss of electron. And now, in the video, the first video, I told you that when the oxidation number of the reactant, this is the reactant, when the oxidation number of the reactant is lesser than the oxidation number of the product, it means that that compound or element undergo oxidation. Why? When the oxidation number of the reactant is bigger than the oxidation number of the product, it means that it undergo reduction. So here we will first of all look at this one. -1 and 0. Which one is bigger? Of course, 0 is bigger. So we now draw this our point to this side. We say that in this one now, because the oxidation number of the reactant, this is the reactant, is smaller than the oxidation number of the product. Since it is smaller than this one, undergo oxidation. Now we now look at this one. So now you look at chlorine here. Chlorine here is 0 and here is -. So 0 and minus, which one is bigger? Of course, 0 is bigger than -1. So we see that it's undergo reduction. So here, because any element that undergo oxidation is a reducing agent. So this one is a reducing agent. While any element that undergo or compound that undergo reduction, it undergo what? Or is an oxidizing agent. This one is oxidizing agent. Of course, if you look at this equation critically, we have been able to solve or know which one is oxidation and which one is oxidation. Subscribe to Organic TV for more videos, and any question you have, channel me to the comment section. I will attend to you. Thank you very much and God bless you.